Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Tear this plastic apart. Okay. Oh, wait, excuse me. Some bubbles.
Bubbles?
Here's a bubble.
Where's the movie? Jesus is mine.
Oh, wait.
Open. This is this
There, slowly. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, this one is a big box. Oh, you moved there for you.
That's a
Condoms. Okay, careful ah. Give it to me this time. Thanks, Mommy. What's this? This is a helicopter. A human and a dinosaur. But are you sure it's this one? Let's open it. Oh, careful ha. Oh look, different colors. Look at the colors. Wait. Oh, what's up? Here. Okay. Oh. Whoa, there's a lot of things from here. But first, I'll get the others. The past 500 pieces. Boom. Plane. Baby Mac. And some others. And we can build others. Let's start building. Oh, this one is so mixed up. Oh, we have two now. You have two now. You have two. Oh, what? There's a circle. There's a circle shape, guys. Mini circle. It's tiny. It's very tiny. Yeah, this is a lot of pieces. I could build one.
Oh, you can build this one like a squid cake.
Like crazy. You could build like crazy things. Let's it's time for the baby robot to get upgrade. Helicopter. Wow. Helicopter. I'm very bad at building helicopters. Yeah, I'm bad. Let's use the instructions. I'm very bad. And boom. Boom. I don't want to build a house. I'm very bad. Get some upgrades on my mini boats. Mini robots. Yep. Oh.
Upside down? Upside down. That's it.
Let's go some big upgrades na. Boom. Nice upgrades on
Upside
now some upgrades on the legs. Yeah. Straight upgrade.
Upside down.
Boom. Wow, it's starting to get cooler. Starting to get cool.
I like it.
Wow.
Oh.
Excuse me, Jacob.
Two.
Boom. build a
Whoa,
path.
this is See?
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Look,
for it.
mommy. Listen. Oh. Listen.
Boom. Then boom. Upgrades.
Hey, cocker.
Upgrade on the
So, hey, cocker.
helicopter.
Oh, listen.
I don't know how to build a helicopter.
Listen. Oh, a helicopter.
Go.
Listen, dinosaurs.
Boom.
Oh.
And then start upgrading it.
Oh. Oh, this.
Upgrade.
Hey, cocker.
Mm.
Look, mommy.
It's very hard to do what you want to build on this.
This.
If you want some upgrades.
This. I want.
Yep.
Haha.
Boom. Done. That's a nice upgrade. This one, no need. It's already good.
Hey, cocker.
that's
Hey,
pretty.
cocker.
And this one, the plane.
Oh, yeah.
The old style plane.
It's easy. Ooh. Ah. Look at the picture. Oh, awesome.
Ooh, more rampy ones.
What are you doing, Kuya? What are you doing?
Build, upgrading my build. Some of my builds don't need. Ooh. I just fix some inches. Cool parts and just making it a bit
Oh,
cooler.
a dinosaur.
Upgrading. Boom.
Ah.
Then.
Hey, cocker. Hey, cocker. Baba, baba, baba.
Boom. Now it's okay. One more.
Blah, blah, blah. That's it. Da, da,
There.
da, 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 da.
And then
One, two. This one.
what's this?
Two. This one. That's like
Boom. Oh no. There we go. Nice fully up.
Hey, cocker!
Okay.
Okay.
So, oh, stop right this first.
Oh, a car.
And
Is it what?
oh, a bit of this.
Okay, car. Car.
This first.
Okay. Oh,
We have plenty of
there
parts.
goes the garden.
Where is this? Let's see. And they're mixed up. Yeah. Just gonna try to find some. Try this doing crazy. Ooh, a gun. Needs a turret. Okay, this one is nice. bro. Okay, now it's
Mommy,
powered
my TV.
some more upgrades on the feet, boys. Now for the upgrade.
Like magic. Anyway, Prime Empire was never released. Too many problems. It broke its tax law. What kind of problems? Something to do with some unauthorized changes Mr. Dyer made to the game. His boss had found out and were happy. Creative differences, I guess.
So what happened?
Well, company fired Mr. Dyer. He was pretty angry about it, too. Kept saying they had no
Yeah,
vision.
good play.
He said he'd have the last laugh.
That's
He said,
good.
they'd be sorry one day. He said that?
Missing over my stomach.
Now mysterious feeling of overcoming rage just in a game? You may see me right thinking, Mr. Dyer is... You've got to stop before anyone else gets finished.
I made it further than any of you. Get genius. Oh, no.
Now come on, boy. He's gonna be here forever.
Would you like to enter Prime Empire?
Okay. Boom. Boom. Ayan. This one needs. Okay. Boom.
Wow, so beautiful.
Boom.
And now a Ninjago News special report. Locating Apocalypse, Prime Empire. It's not just a video game craze sweeping the city, but something far more sinister. We're receiving reports that players who reach the 13th level are mysteriously vanishing. Where are these missing players? Who's taking them? And more importantly, will our Game Body Awards
Listen up.
stay tuned?
What are you doing? You can't take that. I mean, we're only making 2 days and it hasn't lasted 2 months.
This thing's dangerous.
Come on, that's ridiculous. It's just a game.
Oh,
Welcome back again. We've got your usual self for you.
Yeah? June isn't here, right?
That's just a draft. Yeah, top up if you're lucky. There's something wrong with the security system. Yes, I'll be more careful this time.
We be free at last.
Arizona, Ultraviolet, all of you, come with me. Work through an account, and you will be rewarded handsomely.
All of us?
Not you, Jeff. I really hope Sally Sports figured out what's going on with that game we found on the campus there.
look, Mommy, I built the eagle.
No. Show it to the camera. Even pizza. What are you building?
Lego.
And then,
You love it?
on this side.
Let me show you pizza.
Yeah, hey, that's hot.
So Jay's in one of those.
Hey.
Not just join the game's playground has exploded. Over 800 players inside the game. The people who reach level 14 and disappear into the cabinets. The world inside Prime Empire is controlled by Omega. And when the brothers makes a brother, in between us there are two ways to deal with this. Find in real life and stop him, or into the game. Just like Jay did. At the top, Omega. I think we should find out and go for both at the same time. I'm afraid Zane and Lucy. The Prime Empire code is so complex, it can override your program.
Ones and zeros just the way they are.
And at reach level 13, crack this baby wide open. The original Prime Empire capital is somewhere in this building. We'll search every floor until we find it.
Won't you wish you had fizzy up now? No. Oh. Look, Mommy, I built this rock.
Wow, you should get the camera. Can you build this crap? Oh, what your way? What's that?
Mini Ultimate Mech. Some upgrades. Dolphin?
No! Eagle!
You get an eagle? Oh, sure. Really? Because of his sound.
We can't just sit out. Get opponents in the game.
Okay.
All the real enemies have.
No, don't.
Harder than expected. Almost done customizing my avatar. What? You haven't even started the game yet? It's all about confidence. Fighting. Now we'll see who has the best security system. It's the best you got, boy. Gonna take more than a few wind up toys.
Okay.
Watch out! Invisible lasers!
Yung upgraded. It looks like an airship. Oh!
What is
Or I can say a fart. 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 Damaging your
Oh.
bombs.
Those security crews know where the lasers are.
Can't go any further.
Shiver me
Yeah, this one is gonna scrap that.
You better be safe in there. Don't game.
Good luck finding the unicorn. Good luck finding the nooks inside.
Let them go. They are what we came for. This is. When they get us, people will cry. How can this be?
No.
I only worked on the mechanic recalls now that he has the original game.
Yeah, I'm just trying to use it. Getting fixed. Okay, so neat. Street change. Hard time trying to find peace.
Look, a sheep train. Shaka, shaka, shoo, shoo.
You changed. Looks like a train of Lucy.
Eagles move.
You know what? I'm gonna use the mini mech for upgrades instead. Into my mini bot.
Look, mommy. Look, Joshua. Oh, Joshua. Does anyone know what just happened? Oh.
So I built this mini bot and upgraded it to its full form. Guys, bye! Hope you like this video. Bye!